Alright, so today we are doing multiplication comparisons. Multiplication comparisons. Okay, so what this means is we have to be very careful with our words. So here's our words. So we have 15 is 3 times as many as 5. Alright, so this is what you have to remember. This is the word is equals. So we're going to bring down our numbers how they are. We're going to do 15 is, bring down your number, and then times as many as, all that means is times. And then we bring our number down. 15 is 3 times as many as 5 is the same as 15 is 3 times 5. Okay, so watch this one. 15 is 5 times as many as 3. So watch how this one goes. We know that is equal, times as many is our times sign. So we just bring it all down. So we have 15 is equal to 5 times 3. So what we're going to be doing, they both equal the same thing, but we have to match the number sentence with the word sentence. And that's going to be the tricky part. So you have to write it exactly how it is written, or we're going to have to mark it wrong. And then the picture that goes with this is this one is, we've got so 3 times as many as 5. So we have 5 and we have 3 times 5. And that gives me 15. This one is we have 5 times as many as 3. So that means we have 3 5s. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that means we have, so there's our 3. We have 5 times as many, and that's 15. So that's how the pictures look different. 3 5s, 5 3s. All right, so let's practice. We have 6 times as many as 2 is 12. Okay, so now we've got to box it up. So times as many is times is equal. So what it looks like is 6 times 2 is equal to 12. Okay, and our model, so we have 6 times as many as 2. So we have 2, we have 6 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And they're all 2s. And those, oops, that looks like a 3. 2 is equal to 12. So this is our model. This is our number sentence. So here's our models. And this is the number sentence right here. Okay, so let's practice another one. 20 is 4 times as many as 5. All right. We know is equal times as many as times. So 20 is 4 times 5. So we've got 4 times as many as 5. So we've got 5. We got 4 times that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Those are all 5s. And so that means it is 20. All right, so now let's try it backwards. Let's go the reverse way. "54 is 6 times 9. So if we do the reverse way, we would write 54 is 6, and we change that, times as many as 9. So we just change those to the correct words. So we're going to be practicing making those both ways. You want to be able to understand what both of them mean in our story problems.